Hi guys, thanks for stopping by. So in today's video, we're going to try differentiating fractions. Now first of all, let's go through the formula of differentiation. So when you have y equals a x raised to the power of n, the dy dx is simply equals to n multiplied by a, then x raised to the power of n minus 1. Now let's go ahead and try solving the first example of differentiating fractions. So we have the first question, which is y equals 1 over x. So 1 over x can be written as x raised to the power of minus 1. They are actually the same thing. So we have y is equals to x raised to the power of minus 1. So when you look up, you're going to see the formula. Here the value of n is equals to minus 1 and the value of a is simply equals to 1. So when we substitute that, we have dy dx is equals to minus 1, which is n, multiplied by 1, which is a, and then we have x, then again we have raised to the power of minus 1, which is our n, then minus 1. So this is simply going to give us minus 1 x raised to the power of minus 2. Now again, this can be written, can convert this back to a fraction and to be equals to minus 1 all over x raised to the power of 2. Now let's take another example. We have y equals 2 over x. Now once again, 2 over x can be written as 2x raised to the power of minus 1. And again, the value of our n is equals to minus 1 and the value of our a is equals to 2. So when we solve this, we have minus 1 multiplied by 2, then x raised to the power of minus 1 minus 1. Now we have minus 2x raised to the power of minus 2. So we got minus 2 from minus 1 minus 1. It's going to give us minus 2. Or this answer can also be written as a fraction as minus 2 divided by x raised to the power of 2. Now let's go ahead to take the third example. We have y is equals to 8 over x raised to the power of 3, that is x cubed. Now 8 over x cubed can be written as 8x raised to the power of minus 3. Now when we differentiate that, we have minus 3 multiplied by 8x raised to the power of minus 3 minus 1. So this simply equals to minus 3 multiplied by 8 leaves us with minus 24. So we have minus 24 x raised to the power of minus 4. So we can also write this as minus 24 all over x raised to the power of 4. Now let's take this to another level. Let's solve a kind of more complicated question. So we have y equals to 5 over x raised to the power of 3 plus 3x raised to the power of 6. As we have been doing before, we have 5 divided by x raised to the power of 3. We can write this as 5x raised to the power of minus 3. So we have our equation as y equals 5x raised to the power of minus 3 plus 3x raised to the power 6. And when we differentiate, we have minus 3 multiplied by 5 x raised to the power of minus 3 minus 1, then plus 6 multiplied by 3, then x raised to the power of 6 minus 1. So on the right hand side we have minus 5. So we have the y dx is equals to minus 15 x raised to the power of minus 4, then plus 18, which is 6 multiplied by 3, then x raised to the power of 5. So we can say our answer is equals to minus 15x raised to the power of minus 4 plus 18x raised to the power of 5. Now again, our minus 15x raised to the power of minus 4 can be written in a fraction as minus 15 over x raised to the power of 4 plus 18x raised to the power of 5. Now let's go ahead to solve this example. So it says differentiate with respect to x. Y equals 3x raised to the power of 4 plus 2x raised to the power of 2 minus 1, all divided by 2x raised to the power of 2. Now you can go ahead to pause this video and try solving this question. If you have watched this video to this level, then obviously you should know how to solve this. It might be kind of challenging, but you should know how to solve this. Now obviously let me try solving it. So this our equation can be written as y equals 3x raised to the power of 4 divided by 2 over x, then plus 2x raised to the power of 2 divided by 2x raised to the power of 2, then minus 1 divided by 2x raised to the power of 2. Now, if you look in the middle, we have 2x raised to the power of 2 divided by 2x raised to the power of 2, so they can cancel each other, leaving us with just 1. Now, on its left hand side, we have 3x raised to the power of 4 divided by 2x raised to the power of 2. Now, using the laws of indices, the power 2 can go up and subtract the power 4. So we have 3 over 2 x raised to the power of 2. Now, on the other side, which is on the right hand side, we are simply going to be left with 1 over x raised to the power of minus 2. So we have our equation as y equals 3 over 2 x raised to the power of 2 plus 1 over 2 x raised to the power of minus 2. So when we finally differentiate, now remember, when you differentiate 1, it is simply going to give us 0. So we have the y dx is equals to 2 multiplied by 3 over 2 multiplied by 3 over 2 x, then raised to the power of 2 minus 1, then plus 0, which is when you differentiate 1, and then minus 2 multiplied by 1 over 2, then x raised to the power of minus 2 minus 1. Now, when you solve all this, you are going to be left with 3x plus x raised to the power of minus 3. And then finally, we can say our answer is equals to 3x plus 1 over x raised to the power of 3. That is when you convert x raised to the power of minus 3 to a fraction. Now, you can find other examples to practice differentiation of fractions. Thanks for watching once again. Bye.